One day, someone asked me, "What's your biggest weakness?" I understood the question, and I knew the answer. My biggest weakness was English. The problem was that I had to explain my weakness in English. I tried to think of the right words, but nothing came to my mind. After a few seconds of silence, the man looked at me and said, "Thank you. That's enough." People always ask me when I want to get married. I don't know. Buying a phone takes me 3 weeks, and choosing a movie takes me 1 hour. And somehow, people expect me to choose one person for the rest of my life in 5 minutes. I have tried everything to become rich. I watched videos, read books, listened to podcasts, and followed successful people. After all that hard work, I expected to see some results. But the only thing getting bigger is my watch later list on YouTube. Every World Cup, people suddenly become football experts. For 1 month, everyone is a coach, a referee, and a football analyst. They have strong opinions about every match and every player. It's amazing because for the rest of the year, we can't even decide where to eat. People always say they want to be rich. Me too. But I don't want a private jet or a yacht. I just want to go to a restaurant, open the menu, and order something without checking the price first. People on social media always say, "Follow your dreams." I'm trying, really. But my dreams seem to be sleeping longer than I do. Every time I wake up and try to be productive, my dreams are still in bed. People always tell me, "Go to the gym. It will change your life." So I went. Nothing changed. I was tired before I joined the gym. Now I'm still tired, but the difference is that I'm paying money for it every month. I respect people who have children. Really, I do. Because I get stressed when my phone battery drops to 20%. Meanwhile, some people are responsible for an entire human being. I can barely keep my phone alive, and they are raising children. Making friends as an adult is strange. When someone says we should meet sometime, nobody means tomorrow. Nobody means next week either. It's usually just a very polite way of saying, "See you in 6 months." I spent years looking for happiness. I looked in books, podcasts, and advice from successful people. Then one day, I finally found it. It wasn't money, success, or wisdom. It was a canceled plan and a free evening at home.